What if your next big adventure didn't just take you to new places, but redefined what freedom on the road truly means? Imagine a motorhome built with Subaru's legendary capability, rugged reliability, and thoughtful design, introducing the all-new 2026 Subaru Motorhome. Today on RV Tour Hub, we're taking you inside this exciting new RV that's engineered for explorers, outdoor lovers, and anyone who wants to take their journey to the next level. The moment you step inside, you instantly feel the blend of smart design and adventurous spirit. Subaru has taken everything they've learned from decades of building capable vehicles and applied it to a motorhome that feels both rugged and refined. The layout feels open and welcoming, with high ceilings and a clever use of space that makes every inch count. Quality materials and intuitive design elements make it clear this is a motorhome that's built to handle the road, without sacrificing comfort. Let's start with the kitchen, a space that proves you don't have to give up great meals just because you're on the go. The kitchen features a durable countertop with plenty of prep space, a reliable cooktop, and a compact but efficient oven. A large refrigerator offers plenty of space for fresh food, drinks, and snacks for the entire trip. Smart storage solutions, including deep drawers and secure cabinets, keep everything in place while driving. Whether you're brewing morning coffee or cooking dinner after a long hike, this kitchen is ready for it all. Next up is the bedroom, thoughtfully designed for comfort after a day full of adventures. You'll find a cozy queen-size bed with premium bedding support and plenty of underbed storage for gear and personal items. Large windows bring in natural light and offer great views of your campsite, while blackout shades help you sleep in when you need rest. With ambient lighting and thoughtful climate control, this bedroom creates a peaceful retreat no matter where you park. Now let's explore the living area, the heart of the Subaru Motorhome. This space is designed for relaxation, conversation, and versatility. Plush seating gives you a comfortable place to unwind, and the convertible arrangements allow for extra sleeping space when you have guests. A multi-purpose table makes it easy to dine, play games, or even work remotely. And thanks to the panoramic windows, you'll always feel connected to the great outdoors. Last but not least, we arrive at the bathroom, a well-appointed space that brings comfort and convenience together. The walk-in shower features quality fixtures and plenty of room to move, while the modern toilet and stylish vanity provide everything you need for daily routines. Smart ventilation keeps the space fresh, and thoughtful storage keeps essentials close at hand. The 2026 Subaru Motorhome is more than just a vehicle, it's your partner in adventure, designed to go wherever your curiosity leads. This is RV Tour Hub, where every journey becomes a story worth sharing.